I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by opening the document and confirming the page size and margins. This makes placement predictable. Next, choose a JPG or PNG image sized roughly to your page dimensions so scaling won't distort it. Once you have the file, position the insertion point near the top of the first page. Now go to Insert Drawing New to begin placing the image. This container will let you control wrapping and layering without breaking your text flow. In the drawing window, click the image icon and upload from your device or drive. Once placed, drag the corner handles to scale the picture to cover the page area. Then use the image options to set text wrap to behind text so your document content remains editable over the image. If the drawing groups unwanted space, use Arrange Order to move layers. When the image looks right, click Save and Close to apply it to the document page. Once the image is in place, duplicate the drawing into subsequent pages by copying and pasting it. Make minor position tweaks so text lines align. If the image appears blurry, replace it with a higher resolution file and rescale. Google compresses very large files. If behind text doesn't behave as expected, try inserting the image in the header or create the page in Google Slides and import it as a full-page image back into Docs. That often preserves layering and quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.